This is Mr Ghosh. I am sitting in my flat in Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. What you can see behind me is the sliding door to my balcony from Fenesta. Earlier, about a year back, this was installed, replacing the earlier frame, which was a normal standard aluminium frame sliding door that we see in many places. Now the question arises, why wasn't it replaced like for like, aluminium with aluminium, and why bring in Fenesta? Basically, as a user, what my experience is and what what made us go for this product, that is my company or my office, is that we look for two major things. A is the slide should be smooth. It's an everyday affair. Every day 20 times we are opening and closing, and if the slide is not smooth, then we start getting irritated, and then the product also gets distorted, contorted, etc. if there's a constant hit on the sides, etc. The other one is durability. Once you install, we should forget it for the next 10 years or more. That will happen only if you come up with a slightly heavy, more durable product which Fenesta offers. So on both these counts, Fenesta has given me a really good experience over the last 1 year. Very smooth, very comfortable to operate. And the other aspect of Fenesta, which actually impressed us at the beginning of installation, was the choice. Every sub part of this installation has got an option sheet, and you get to fill it in, and as per your choice, as per your requirement, and accordingly then you can have the whole frame installed. For example, you can have a single glass installation, a double glass, or even a triple glass. You can have a clear glass, a translucent glass, or almost an opaque glass. You can have noise reduction at various levels. You can have UV filtering at various degrees of intensity. So as you need, so you take, and the money also can be therefore optimized according to your needs and your choices. So I think overall, all these things, it has given us a total satisfaction, A, and B, it gives me also the satisfaction for the next 10-15 years or so, I need not even touch it. I need not even feel 1% of concern so far as this product is concerned. I think I'm very satisfied with Fenesta.